kubor baman kesngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni.
Position we have Yakman Penguin Alang of St.Peter.Sec.School, JC Mary Safety of St.Peter.Sec.School. Come on. Yes. Come on, children, lead by Patharkhmah 155. Come on, guys, come on. Make some noise for your participants, for your champion. This is the final of 200-meter relay for the system. There we go, 200-meter relay on the system final. 200-meter race on the system final.
Banyo iki kubor baman kesngi, subscribe ke channel Unang Yalam News. Kublai shibu.